Hello everyone. So we are discussing the solutions of ESE Mains 2021. Before starting the discussion, the basic announcement is there. On 12 months of subscription, additional 3 months is being provided. And those who are preparing for GATE and ESE 23, for them a bilingual batch is being launched on 24th of November. The topic which is starting is strength of material. Now the problem is of open channel flow. The problem says the depth of flow of water at a certain section of rectangular channel 3 meter wide is 0.45 meter. So depth of water is given to you. The discharge through the channel is 3.1 meter cube per second. Determine whether the hydraulic jump will occur or not. So when known to the fact that hydraulic jump will occur, or during the hydraulic jump, the nature of the flow is changed from supercritical to subcritical. So initially, if the flow is supercritical, the jump will occur. If so, determine the height and loss of the energy per kg of the water. Obviously, as the problem is asking about the height and loss of energy, so jump will be formed. This can be understood just by reading the problem. However, we have to show it mathematically. So if I show this mathematically, we have to calculate the nature of flow. So solution. For that, I'll require critical depth of flow. So critical depth of flow. So critical depth of flow. Why critical? Q square by G raised to the power 1 by 3, where Q is discharge per unit width. Discharge is given to be 3.1, width is 3 meter. So 3.1 divided by 3 whole square divided by 9.81 raised to the power 1 by 3. So on simplification, this value comes out to be 0.48 meter. So depth of flow, initial depth of flow is given to be how much? 0.45 meter. 0.45 meters. So now it can be seen that y1. So we'll say since and y1 is given as 0.45 meter. Since y1 is less than y critical. So since y1 is less than y critical, flow is supercritical. So flow is supercritical. Hence, hydraulic jump will be formed. So we can say hence hydraulic jump will be formed. So hydraulic jump will be formed. So this is the first part of the problem. Second part of the problem says if it forms, find the height of the jump. So height of the jump is y2 minus y1. So we have to calculate the height of jump. So height of jump hj, it is y2 minus y1. Y1 is known to us. We need the value of y2. Y2 can be found using sequent depth ratio. So we can say now sequent depth ratio. We can say now sequent depth ratio y2 by y1 is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 1 plus 8 fr1 whole square divide by 2. We need the value of Froude's number. So fr1 whole square is needed. This is equal to what? Q square by g y1 whole cube. So Q is discharge per unit width. Divide by 9.81 into y1. Y1 is given to be 0.45. 0.45 whole cube. On simplification, it comes out to be 1.195. Substitute the value. If I substitute the value, y2 is equal to y1. y1 is equal to 0.45. So y1 is equal to 0.45 bracket minus 1 plus 1 square root of 1 plus 8 fr1 whole square. fr1 whole square is 1.195. So fr1 whole square we have found divided by 2. So divided by 2. So on simplification, the value of y2 comes out to be 0.51 meter. So height of the jump, which is equal to y2 minus y1, is equal to 0.51 minus point. So y1 is given to be how much? 0.45 meter. So y1 is given to be 0.45 meter. This will give you the height of the jump. So y1, so 0.45 meter. This comes out to be 0.45 0.51 minus 0.45. So 0.51 minus 0.45. So this comes out to be 0.06 meter. So the height of the jump is 0.06 meter. So this is the first part of the problem. ये हमारा first part बन जाता है. So we have found the height of the jump. So the first part of the problem, the height of the jump is to be computed. So it was comparatively simple. तो problem comparatively simple था, कोई issue नहीं था इसके अंदर. ये दूसरा पार्ट था सवाल का. थर्ड पार्ट में क्या पूछा है? मेरे ख्याल से एनर्जी लॉस पूछी हुई है. सो द थर्ड पार्ट एनर्जी लॉस. फिर से एक्सप्रेशन बेस्ड है. देयर इज नथिंग सिग्निफिकेंट इन दिस. सो प्रॉब्लम इज टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट एनर्जी लॉस. पर एनर्जी लॉस कैसे बतानी है आपको? एनर्जी लॉस बतानी है, यूनिट भी दे रखा है इसने, पर केजी ऑफ वाटर. सो एनर्जी लॉस निकालनी है पर केजी ऑफ वाटर, निकाल लेंगे. सो एनर्जी लॉस इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 का होल क्यूब अपॉन 4y1 y2. So this is equal to 0.51 minus 0.45 का whole cube divide by 4 y1 y2. So on simplification it comes out to be 1 by 4250 meter per kg of water. So this is the solution. ये हमारा solution. Thank you everyone.